about 4 AM right now, and I'm just putting the finishing touches on packing up the Hilux, ready to go a trip down south to Bluff Knoll. It's about a probably five and a half hour drive from where I am, north of Perth. I have Gilly and his new cruiser, and Chris and his other Hilux, and we're gonna go do the hike, do some exploring, maybe through Albany, Denmark, some 4B trails and that, and bring you along for the ride. Give you a bit of a tour of my little setup. This is the awning. It actually runs off no roof rack. This is pretty cool. This is a rackless awning system, and it's mint. I love it if you don't want to run a roof rack. So in here, I've got my fridge, swag, chair, table. This is where I keep all my my cooking, recovery gear, whatnot. Spare jerry can full of fuel. Yeah, the fridge runs off my dual battery system. Works a bloody treat, I think. We've got our Maccas.
We met up with Chris, and now we're pretty well on our way. Just cruising down Tonkin Highway. The sun's just starting to poke over the hills, so we're gonna see hopefully a killer sunrise. We're on Albany Highway now. The sun's pretty well fully up, and I guess now it's straight on through to Bluff Knoll. That happens every single time, eh? We've arrived at Bluff Knoll, just driving up to it now. It's a pretty cool view, I must admit. Check it out. Stretch it out. Let's do it. Only halfway. Not far to go now.
made it to the top. I think it took just over an hour, about 3 k's in total. It's really cloudy compared to the last time I was here, but I mean, still get absolutely incredible views the whole way up the hike. I mean, right now I'm just walking to a ledge, so you can check this out. Heading down now. It's definitely a lot easier than coming up, but the views are still so incredible. I think I'm gonna head straight back to the cars, head to a campsite, set up and chill out, ready for a big one tomorrow.